Pakistan, which is already facing an energy crisis, has failed to buy liquefied natural gas or LNG from the international market, as per a Bloomberg report. LNG suppliers have reportedly not responded to the country's tenders to purchase 6 shipments. Pakistan LNG Limited's tender for October to December delivery closed on June 20th with no response. This was Pakistan's first attempt in about a year to buy LNG from the spot market as global prices eased. Suppliers didn't respond to Islamabad's tender, as several overseas banks weren't accepting letters of credit from Pakistani counterparts to purchase LNG shipments, as per Bloomberg. A letter of credit is a pledge by a lender to repay funds if the buyer can't do so. In this case, the Pakistan government-owned LNG Limited (PLL) is the buyer, and the country's cash-strapped banks are the lenders. Pakistan has been grappling with multi-pronged crises for the past few months. Apart from a political crisis, Pakistan is struggling with a weakening currency, high external debt, diminishing foreign exchange reserves, and an increasing risk of defaulting on its loans. A bailout from the International Monetary Fund, which Pakistan was depending on for some monetary relief, also looks unlikely. The global lender has criticized Pakistan government's recent budget as insufficient to meet the goals of its bailout program, a sign that a deadline this month to unlock aid will not be met. In May, Islamabad's annual inflation rose to a record 37.97%, pushing the average inflation to 29.16% during June-May this financial year, compared to 11.29% in the same period last year. The energy crisis in Pakistan, which imports most of its energy, began after Russian oil and gas faced Western sanctions following its invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. In 2021, Pakistan's crude oil petroleum import stood at $3.54 billion, as per OEC data. According to Dawn, Islamabad's oil import bill increased by 95.9% to $17.03 billion for the period July 2021 to April 2022, compared to $8.69 billion for the same period in the previous year. Pakistan's inability to buy gas is likely to aggravate energy shortages in the country, resulting in more frequent blackouts and curbing the supply of fuel to industrial consumers. In January this year, Pakistan witnessed nationwide power cuts following a widespread breakdown in the power system. The South Asian nation has started implementing a national plan to save energy as it hopes to spend less of the country's limited foreign exchange reserves on imported fuel. In addition to the LNG tender that got rejected this month, Pakistan has issued a second one for 3 cargoes in Jan-Feb 2024, which will close on July 14th. With the deadline for the second tender still a few days away, all eyes will be on how LNG suppliers respond to it. Similar LNG tenders issued by Pakistan last year had also failed to draw suppliers.